Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naeem Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at Evertrade, and welcome to our daily update on my YouTube channel. In today's segment, what we will be really looking at opportunities within the equity markets, forex markets, commodities, and of course, Bitcoin. First of all, to begin with, the biggest news in the market over the weekend happened because of the second stimulus aid package, which the US lawmakers have finally decided to agree on. So a $900 billion second stimulus aid package is here, meaning you Americans are going to get another round of stimulus checks, and that should help to prop up the consumer sentiment and consumer confidence as well among investors and traders, and we should see that in terms of economic activity picking up. Now the question is, where is the opportunity? Should we go long on Dow Jones? Should we go short on Dow Jones today? Well, looking at the markets, the major concern is still about very much about the surge in coronavirus cases and restrictions which are being put in place. Now, because of that, investors have shifted their focus from the second stimulus aid package, which, like I said, has been dragging on for months and months, and traders have been hoping for this particular stimulus aid package. But now the surge in coronavirus cases is very much in focus, and that is pushing the Dow Jones index lower. Now, on the daily time frame, the price is trading very much close enough to its 20-day simple moving average, but still above the 50, 100, and 200-day simple moving average. So overall, I think the current pullback could be very much an opportunity, because obviously the Dow Jones price has been trading in a consolidation pattern, meaning moving in a sideways pattern. So any pullback could really be an opportunity, and if the pullback can go all the way, if it can go all the way to 50-day simple moving average on the daily time frame, that particular trade can be very, very helpful, because the market is still very much in an upward trend. So same is for pretty much for the S&P 500 index as well. Now the market is retracing from its all-time highs, something that we've experienced last week. So the futures, if they can get into the range of 3,545 to 3,588, in around that could be a very good buy zone in terms of S&P 500 index. And remember, the index has been trading near the oversold territory, overbought territory in terms of RSI, and it is also pulling back from that. So that is another positive sign in terms of the market. It's the US stock market. Now over in Europe, or especially in the UK, remember London is back in tier 4 lockdown, meaning complete and full lockdown, and that is going to have a huge impact on airline sectors, and of course on the tourism and on the hospitality sector. All of that is under immense selling pressure. FTSE is also trading to the downside. Remember the last few weeks, we've seen this massive upsurge in the FTSE 100 index, which helped the index to pierce the upward channel, the upward line of the Bollinger Band, and now the prices are once again on the weekly time frame. If you are wondering, now the prices are once again retracing back to its 20-week moving average. On the daily time frame, again the opportunity is going to come, because now the prices are moving to the downside. I still believe that Brexit deal can happen, despite the fact that currently it doesn't seem like there will be a Brexit deal, because fisheries is still the major concern. And remember, last week the optimism pushed the sterling dollar higher above 1.35. Now we are trading back at 1.32 in terms of a sterling dollar. So that has helped the move. That has helped the sterling dollar bearish bets in terms of that. But overall momentum is still very much in place for a sterling dollar to continue to move to the upside, and this can happen if we do get another stimulus, so if we do get a Brexit deal, which is likely to happen. Again, the conversations are back on track. So that means if we do get a Brexit deal, FTSE can move higher, sterling can also move higher. So any retracement could be a massive opportunity in terms of that. Now, As for gold prices, they are back above 1900 price level, which is very, very positive in terms of a gold prices. They are sitting at 6-week high. The gold price is very much on track to record it's one of its best year in nearly over 10 years or so. So that is very positive in terms of an upward trend. As for Bitcoin, the prices are still trading above 23,000. Yesterday, we broke above that 24,000 price level. The momentum is still very much skewed to the upside, and the chances are that this will continue to move higher. This is pretty much from my side. If you have any questions in future, feel free to comment them, and I will come back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.